Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we're making one of the most simple recipes out of the Veganomicon. It's a spiced yogurt sauce. It's gonna go great on any Indian meal. As I said, it's pretty simple. This is all you need. So, all the ingredients that you need are listed below and right here. Let's get started. Now the first thing you wanna do is set a small skillet to a medium-low heat because we're gonna toast our cumin seeds. So we're just gonna let that heat up for a few minutes. In the meantime, grab a cup and a half of soy yogurt, plain. Grab a lemon or a lime. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of juice. And we have an optional cilantro. We're gonna chop this as finely as possible. 1 tablespoon, did I say 1 tablespoon? That's perfect if I do say so myself. Okay, let's toast our cumin seeds for 30 to 45 seconds. Ooh, gets fragrant fast. All right, we're gonna throw these right into the yogurt. Turn your oven off. And now we're gonna add our salt and our garam masala. Give it a good whisk. And we're gonna chill it until you're ready to eat it. So make yourself some food. Let's try it. All right, I just made a rice thing out of a bag, so it didn't get too fancy. I'm gonna try this yogurt sauce first though, so I don't want to taint the flavors. Very aromatic, very creamy, obviously. You get the cumin every once in a while. It's really good. All right, I'm gonna try it with some rice. I mean, it's nice and it's a refreshing sauce. Like it said in the cookbook, it'd be good on any Indian meal, any kind of rice dish. Pretty much anything you want to put it on. Nice creamy yogurt spice sauce. Spiced yogurt sauce. All right, this was really simple to make, as you saw. Up your sauce game, make this. You'll like it. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that stuff. I will see you all next time. All right, let's toast our cumin seeds for about 30 to 45 seconds. God, I can't even say that right. All right.